Binibining Shein, who wins 50,000 pesos in cash and 50,000 pesos worth of gift certificates. Binibining Shein is Nicole Budol from Angono, Rizal. Up next is the candidate for Binibining Pizza Hut. She is Binibining 8, Nicole Budol from Angono, Rizal. Our next winner was chosen by the community, winning 2 million Kumu Diamonds convertible to cash is Binibining Kumu, none other than Binibining 8, Nicole Budol. Ruling the runway with the latest Jack Anti-Fit collection. This year's Jack Queen is 8, Nicole Budol from Angono, Rizal. Binibining Silka is Binibining 8, Nicole Budol. The Binibining World Balance Award goes to the strong, empowered woman with an active lifestyle. She wins 70,000 pesos worth of cash and products from World Balance. Let's hear it for Binibining 8, Nicole Budol.
Chacha Huino, Chief Operating Officer of PPI Holdings Incorporated. Ellie Padilog, Vice President Kumu Social TV. For Jag Queen, Miss Hannah Arnold, Jag Denim Queen 2021. And Mr. James Perry. For Binibining Silka, Miss Eunice de Belen, Silka Senior Brand Manager. And Miss Joey Ann Rahel, Silka Senior Brand Specialist. Hello, Miss Universe 2013 third runner-up. And Loren Bautista, Binibining Pilipinas Viewing Party.